Hello guys, let me show you this simple mini strawberry oat cottage cheese loaf that I made for my kids' back to school snack. This is refined sugar free and it is very healthy and delicious. I combined all the ingredients which I would list in the caption. Portion it into a desired baking pan. Once you combine it together, I then bake this for 50 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. After cooling completely, I store them in an airtight container in the fridge. And once I'm ready to use, I just bring it out a few hours to come to room temperature. Then I slightly warm them in the microwave and pack in school lunchbox.